In problem 19, we have the equation 5y equals x squared. We need to find the information on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, we're going to begin by just identifying what the major axis is. Since we have an x squared, that means the major axis is going to be the y-axis. Now, let's begin by solving for our p in order to find the focus, directrix, and focal diameter. So use the coefficient of the y. So 5 is going to be equal to 4p. Now from this number, our coefficient of the y, what's on the left-hand side of this equation, we're going to take the absolute value of that in order to find the focal diameter, which is just going to be equal to 5. Now when we finish running through this, our p is going to be equal to 5/4.